Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I will be unboxing the Simon Says Stamp June 2022 card kit. It's called Happiest Wishes. You will see that this kit is packed with some really fun and adorable surprises. It includes a wide variety of hand-selected coordinating supplies, enough to keep you creating for hours. I will also be sharing a link to the Simon Says card kit gallery where you will find wonderful designs by some amazingly creative designers and card makers. Let's unbox this month's kit and take a look at all the amazing products included in it. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Stay tuned for some interesting card projects that I create using this kit in my future videos. The first thing I see here is a jar of this Ranger's Starshine Skittles glitter gel. Well, I have never used one of these before. I'm too excited to find it in the kit. I can't wait to use it. Next, we have this Citrine yellow mesh bag. It's a huge 10 by 12.5 inch bag, perfect to store all your crafty supplies. I love the quality of these bags. They are very sturdy. This will fit all the contents of our kit today. Let us now pull out the rest of the contents of this kit. There are a lot of fun surprises in this month's kit. True to its name, it is filled with the happiest wishes and contents. First up, take a look at these A2 size holographic envelopes by Simon Says Stamp. There are 6 of these. These are so glossy. Well, I love these envelopes. Just like the other envelopes from Simon, these have sticky backing too. Next, we have this little wafer die, the Scripty Big Hugs. I love stacking a bunch of these wafer thin dies to create a beautiful dimensional sentiment on my card fronts. Now for the pattern papers included in the kit. Here we have 6 sheets of double-sided pattern papers called Sunny Days by Paper Rose. Look at these adorable designs and patterns on these papers. There are so many happy and fun little critters on these papers. The scene on these would work really amazing for card backgrounds. I love these pattern papers with the balloons. Well, I guess the balloon pattern paper is my favorite design. The kit also comes with the Simon Says Stamp Pawsitively Everything 6-inch T-square roller. This one is perfect to get sentiments aligned onto our card fronts. Well, I have 2 of these now and I can't recommend them enough. They are perfect addition to your crafty stash. It has all these measurements on it, which would be really helpful when you are new to card making and are still struggling to figure out the dimensions even for a basic A2 size card. Well, I sure did struggle a lot. This would have been a lifesaver for me then. Now for this beautiful stencil. It's a slimline stencil called Sunburst. You can ink blend, use inks and sprays, but well, I would definitely create a card using this stencil and the glitter gel that we saw earlier. Even though this is a slimline stencil, I'm sure we can make it work with some A2 size cards as well. Now for the most exciting part of the Simon Says Stamp card kits. This is the huge 6x8 stamp set that we have been waiting for. It's called Happiest Wishes. This is such an adorable stamp set, perfect for any occasion cards. We have a little dog, a cat and a cute little teddy bear holding balloons floating away, along with the clouds, a moon and some little stars. Perfect to create a night sky. Also, don't miss out on those beautiful sentiments on this stamp set. Now this is something really new and exciting for me. It's a sheet of micro dots. This would be perfect to get some glue on a thin die cut piece. Well, I will be definitely trying it out with the Big Hugs die that we saw earlier. For our cardstocks, we have 100-pound lipstick red and green leaf cardstock by Simon Says Stamp and 110-pound Neenah solar white cardstock. So that was the Simon Says Stamp June 2022 Happiest Wishes card kit. It's definitely a very fun card kit, very cute and fun designs, and has some really amazing pattern papers as well. The stamp set can be used for cards for all round the year. In my next video, I will be using some of those stamped images and creating a night sky with a fun little sentiment. Stay tuned for that. All the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I will see you back with some fun cards that I will be creating using this card kit. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you like to share your creations, please tag me on Instagram at rp_shutterbug. The link to that is also in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.